Nothing beats the taste of an authentic Italian homemade pizza. It's quick, it's easy, but most of all, it's delicious. Today we're making a Napoli pizza. Are you ready for this? Pizza bombs! Mamma mia! So we got the pizza, we got the bombs. There's one more surprise. It's also themed Mickey Mouse. No. The bolino. Ears. Do you know who Dopolino is? Dopolino is how you say Mickey Mouse in Italian. And Dopolino means little mouse. Plus, I've got some very exciting news. We're doing a giveaway. Stay tuned until the end for more information that you don't want to miss.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
Ciao amici! Hello my friends. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Sophia and welcome back to Cheeky Saucy Meat Italian edition. Let's get... That's funny. My Mickey! Now, let's get into some cooking business. Let me take off my ear. The things you need are 2 cheeses, mozzarella, and shredded Parmesan, pepperoni, 4 garlic cloves, cheese sticks that I like to eat, that ain't one, garlic butter, sugar, salt and pepper to taste, a rolling pin, olive oil, Italian seasoning, red pepper flakes, a can of whole tomatoes, active dry yeast, a thermometer, and a 00 flour. We're gonna make first some pizza dough. We're gonna start by blooming our yeast, and to do that, you need a cup of warm water at 110 degrees. Now we're pour in our yeast and our 1 tablespoon of sugar. So,
Oops.
Could that be a blooper? And now we're gonna pour in our 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now we're gonna mix it up until it's well combined. Guys, now it's time to wait for our yeast to bloom. Right now it's activating. We have to wait about 15 minutes for this to activate. You are going to repeat this whole entire process again and make a second batch of dough for the pizza bombs. Our yeast is ready to combine with our flour. It's foamy and bubbly and you can smell it. We got 3 cups of 00 flour in our bowl. Now it's time to pour it into here. But something I learned is you do the glow groundhog. You do like glow like hole. Now I'm putting them in. Now it's time to hook it up and let's mix it up. Time to mix it up in here. I'm so excited to try this, guys. I love it. When the dough looks like this, you're going to want to put a tablespoon of olive oil in your bowl. This dough is looking like a blob. Time to shape it. Flour first. Our dough is done. Into a ball. It's time to spray our container with avocado oil. Now I'm putting my bowl. So our dough now is in an airtight container, and now we're gonna wait for 2 hours to let it rise. Then I make my pizza. Come on, let's go. I'm ready. Fire well, let's go. It's on. Let's prepare our pizza sauce. The first thing you want to do is strain your tomatoes. And I'm using peeled tomatoes from Cinto. And I'm getting the sauce out, and it's giving me a hard time over here. Oh, jeez. They feel like brains. This is gross. Okay, we have one right here. A fat one. Ugh, this is like brains. Okay, so they're in. Okay, can somebody give me something in my hand? I'm going to be adding some garlic cloves to our processor. Then we're going to sprinkle in some salt, pepper, and pepper flakes, and oil, and Italian seasoning to our food processor. Something I can do is something. I'm just kidding. You're gonna want to ladder it. You want to pulse it up so it gets chunky. Now it's time to pulse it up, baby. Okay, sauce is ready. Our yeast has been sitting out and it looks like this. And now we're gonna take it out. Place some flour on a clean surface so the dough doesn't stick. Now let's pour our dough out and coat it with some flour on both sides. But this is really sticky. Our dough is ready to be shaped. Okay, we're working to stretch our dough. You will want to make it flat and want to stretch it out all the way until it gets even. I should throw that in there. Why not? School is in session. I've been practicing this for a long time, guys. And I'm ready to show you guys what's done. Let's practice with my assistant. Alexa, how do you toss pizza?
Okay, for pizza, I recommend 3 cheese pizza from Side Chef. 45 minutes to make. Serves 4. What would you like? Start recipe. Send it to your phone.
And don't listen to her. She knows what she's doing. Let's try this again. Alexa, how do you spin pizza?
Pizza is spelled P-I-Z-Z.
Alright, no, Alexa, again, no. Let's do this again. Alexa, how do you toss pizza?
Here's something I found on WikiHow. To toss pizza dough, you need to start with a strong, stretchy dough that has been allowed to rise for at least 5 hours. Coat both sides of the dough with plenty of flour, then slap it with your hand to flatten it into a circle. Pick the circle of dough up so you're holding it across one open palm and one closed fist. Rotate your arms inwards, then bring your hands up and around until the back of your open hand is in front of your face. Lightly toss the dough into the air so it continues to spin. Then catch the dough on both of your fists and forearms.
Said it right. Yep.
I can do this! My epic toss. Are you guys ready? Get excited, guys. Okay, you wanna give it to that?
Drei farfalloni amoro. Notte giorno di torno girano. Delle belle turbando al riposo.
So I'm pushing my dough now.
Mattuccino d'amore.
Shape is make our crust. I have a pizza peel made of wood that I put flour on it, and now I'm going to transfer our dough to a peel. I used to use a metal pizza peel, but now I'm using a wooden pizza peel because my uncle says it's best, and my uncle owns a pizzeria. It's time to get sauced up. Now, I was wondering if you guys are a sauce person or a cheese person. Let me know in the comments below. Now it's time to put our sauce on our pizza. And you're going to want to get a little bit and put it in the middle and spin it around. Alexa, how do you say sauce in Italian?
Pizza sauce in Italian is salsa per pizza.
Salsa de pizza. Now I'm sprinkling in my cheese. Alexa, how do you say Donald Duck in Italian?
Donald Duck in Italian is pepperoni.
Paperino. Paperino. Alexa, how do you say yummy cheese in Italian?
Yummy cheese in Italian is formaggio gustoso.
Formaggio. I don't like my tongue and accent from mom and dad. Make it rain, make it rain. I love the piece of cheese, you see. Italian formaggi. Alexa, how do you say cheese pizza in Italian?
Cheese pizza in Italian is pizza al formaggio.
People the formaggi. Didn't listen to that bit. My pizza is going in the oven at 550 degrees for 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Pizza bombs are little balls that are the same thing but they're different. But in the inside we have mozzarella and pepperoni. And to top them off we use garlic and butter. Now we are working on our pizza bombs. While that's going, it's time to put our flour down and get rolling our dough. Bye. Put some flour on your clean counter so that our dough does not stick to the surface. Now we're going to cut our dough in half for our pizza bombs. Now we're going to roll each half of the dough back and forth. And you want to be very smooth. So you want nice, beautiful bombs. Our dough is rolled out. It's time to cut them into sections. And did you know that this is my favorite pizza, you guys? Next, we're going to get our dough and roll them into balls. Our dough balls and we're going to flatten them out and put our cheese, pepperoni, and our sauce. You're going to want to flatten them out until it's like a small mini pizza. Next, we're gonna do is gonna put our sauce on our dough. Next, we're gonna put our pepperoni and our cheese on our dough. Next, we're gonna fold them. You will want to wrap up your dough very tight. Now we're going to spray and line our pan. Now we're going to transfer our pizza bombs on our tray. Time to add our egg wash. And all it is water and egg combined. And now I put it on our pizza bomb so it turns a light golden brown color. Alexa, how do you say delicious in Italian?
Delicious in Italian is squisito.
Squisito. Now we're going to put our pizza bombs in the oven at 325 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes. Our pizza bombs are out of the oven. It's time to add some garlic butter to our pizza bombs. I melted the garlic butter to coat them with. I love the sauce. Oh no, it's sprinkling everywhere, guys. I'm excited to try these, you guys. And I love pizza. And I love Disney. And I love Mickey Mouse. Now I'm gonna add my red pepper flakes to our pizza bombs to spice them up. Just a little bit. Okay, you guys, my pizza's in place, but it's a surprise for you guys. I'm gonna sprinkle some cheese for you to surprise you guys. I'm going to use my pizza sauce to dip my bombs. My pizza is ready. Let me get ready. Before I show you our Mickey pizza, I promise you some more information on the giveaway. I'm giving away a complete set of ears, Sasha, and apron. To enter, all you have to do is subscribe and comment below in this video. The winner will be announced in 30 days. My pizza is ready. Are you guys ready? For a great pizza reveal. Presenting the Mickey Pizza. Pronto, Topolino. What do you think? Do you like my video? Make sure to comment and subscribe.
Gosh. Thanks for watching, everybody.